In today's video we're going to be setting up small refineries to cook low-grade fuel automatically. To get started we're going to need some electricity. So I'm just going to set down a solar panel and a small battery. We can connect those up. Obviously we're also going to need our small refineries and a couple of boxes. So I'm using 2 small refineries, but you can scale this up if you need to, or just use 1. There shouldn't be any problems. I'm just placing a box at each end, one for the raw materials and one over there for the output. Next we're going to need some storage adapters and 2 conveyors. I'm going to put the storage adapters on both the boxes and both of the small refineries, and the conveyors either side of the small refineries. Another thing I'm going to do, so I'm just going to take the default wood out of these because we don't need it at the moment. What we do need is an igniter and a timer. For the igniter I'm just going to place it behind the small refineries on the wall, with the timer somewhere above it. Okay, with everything deployed, use your wrench to connect all the industrial components. So from the small box to the conveyor, from the conveyor into your first small refinery, then from the first small refinery into the second, and then from the second into your second conveyor, and then from the conveyor into the second box. For the electric, go from the small battery into the power in on your first conveyor, and then from the pass-through go to your second conveyor's power in, and then from the pass-through here on your second conveyor go to the power in on your timer, and then from the power out go to the power in on the igniter. While we're here we also need to change the timer, so set this to 0.25. And now, lastly, from the filter pass, connect to the toggle on the timer. To set up the conveyors, on your first one, search for wood and crude, and set the max on these, so wood set to 10 and crude oil set to 5, and do require all. Apply that, turn it on, and on the second conveyor searching for low-grade fuel and charcoal, and we can leave this on any item. Just hit apply and turn that on. Now when I put low-grade fuel and wood into the first box, these will turn on automatically. And you can see they're keeping themselves topped up to around 10 and 5. and the output is coming out here. If you've got any questions about this setup, then please feel free to post them in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you found this video useful, please hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.